Let's talk about tolls and, well, another thing we really got to watch out for.
I sent this to Lyft, and I got a response today immediately saying, yep, we're working on it. Thank you for sending it to us. So whoever this is. So this actually, I've been getting a lot of this, about tolls a lot. So people, you guys, sometimes people go like, they didn't pay me my toll. So on your way to pickup, I don't know this, but correct me if I'm wrong, Chris. On your way to pickup, if you're in P2, if you take a toll road, you don't get paid for that, right? Only on P3, you get paid for the toll, right?
I'm pretty sure it's only P3, yeah.
Okay. All right, cool. So he says, good morning. As of September 1, toll rates changed from $5 to $6. I live in South New Jersey and usually cross the bridges into Philadelphia, Pennsylvania a few times a night. When I drive, Lyft on some occasions will reimburse me $6 for the toll. But I looked at my rides last night. I crossed the bridge 3 times and they reimbursed me $6 once and $5 twice, shorting me $2. Huh, Lyft. We're on you, as usual. But Lyft said, oh, yeah. Oh, sorry, we're working on it. So all these people who are doing these toll things, when like 2 months from now, when you get like at $23 and some change or some ridiculous number in your app without an explanation, it's probably this. So see, we get you nothing but money here. And so he's basically saying, and then he put these 2 trips. See, cross the bridge, $5 for toll. Cross the bridge, $6 for toll. So I am not sure why Lyft. We have such a great crowd here. Nothing will get by. Nothing. Look at this guy. Okay. So, and his question is valid. He goes, I drive part-time, but what about full-time? He goes, how many drivers, full or part-time, in my area who are getting ripped off $1 every time they cross the bridge and haven't checked reimbursement toll amount? Great question. Great question. So fix your systems. Whoever, God knows, there aren't that many toll roads where I live, but I'm sure there are a shit ton of toll roads everywhere else. So there you go. Pay the man.
Unfortunately, we have a couple of tolls. Not too many. We have like the Grand Island Bridge is a toll. It's $1. Actually, I don't even know what it is now. It's probably gone up, to be honest. But we all do Easy Pass, so you don't even really see the tolls to begin with. But the mainline 90 is tolled, so it just depends on where you are. Part of the Buffalo area, it's not tolled. So for the vast majority of the rides that you're giving, you're not even going to see a toll. But sometimes there are, especially if I'm like right near that Grand Island Bridge and they want me to cross over into Grand Island, then you got to pay it. And it's like, no, I'll pass. Unless I have a butt in the car, I'm not going on that bridge because I'm not spending that money to go there.
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past 1.5 years, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Devon, no, that's not the question. Actually, I did ask that question. Is that Dara Khosrowshahi's picture?
What?
That picture, right? His picture, his avatar is Dara Khosrowshahi, right? Of course. That's hilarious. I just noticed that. No, it's not. The toll did not change. It's the same toll. Sometimes it's 5, sometimes it's 6. But Lyft said they're looking into that. Well, they'll fix it. And they'll probably fix it if they say they fix it.
Well, it sounds like at the beginning of September, it changed from 5 to 6 because we all know tolls tend to go up all the time. It's just a matter of when they're actually going to update the systems, hopefully, pretty quick. But I mean, if you go over like GWB, I can only imagine what it is now. It's probably like $25 just one way. Like if you're going from Jersey into New York and you're going over GWB, you're probably spending $25 just to go over his car, which is insane. Oh yeah. When I was in the Bronx, it was only like, I think it was like $15, and that was 7 years ago.
One way?
It's you don't pay the toll going out. You don't pay the toll going in Jersey.
Oh, okay. So
So
okay.
you're only going into the city paying the toll. Same thing with like Tappan Zee, or which is Andrew Cuomo Bridge now. It's the same thing. You only pay going in. You don't pay going out.
Okay. Sergio, what do you recommend? I have no idea. I don't have. This is like the least educated area of my expertise here. I have no answer for this. What kind of pass works for all of them? I don't know. You're in your city. You probably have to look into it. I know Fast Track works in LA if you're in LA, but I don't know what you have there. So sorry, I can't answer that one.
Yeah, it just depends on your area. I mean, different areas are going to use different things. Like Illinois has their own, but you can still use Easy Pass in Illinois. So like when I travel to Chicago, I can still use the tolls that are going there. Same thing with through the states. So if I'm going through Ohio and paying the same thing, Easy Pass will work there too. So it just depends on what you might have in your area.
This is our crowd. How good they are. Immediate answer. SB, take a note. In California, Fast Track. Yeah, I have Fast Track, but Fast Track is the toll tag that works for tolls of LA, SF, and OC. Okay, there you go. Fast Track. You got your answer. SB 805. There you go.
Well, there you go. So that's always a good thing.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.